Example, now express each of the following in the form of a or iota a where a is a real number. Now, number 1, very simple questions. Now, for first part, now what we can write it? It is given, we are having, so it is number 1, okay. So, we are having 4 iota times 2. Now, this is 8 iota. This is the answer. Is it clear? Simple calculation. Number 2. Now, we are having square root of negative of 8. Now, to this what we can write it? We can write it 8 times square root of 8 times negative of 1, sorry. Okay. Now, this becomes 8 times negative of 1, and to this we can write it now root 8 iota. To root 8, if you wish, you can write it 2 root 2 iota. Is it clear? So, for the second part. Now, for the third part. Now, what is the third part? Again a simple multiplication, iota times 2 iota. Now, this becomes 2 iota square. Is it clear? So, to this now, this implies 2 with negative of 1, this is negative of 2, because iota square is equal to negative of 1. So, these 3 simple questions were there. By this we can get each and everything very much clear.